like everything, new technologies have some important companies and some not as important. Three of that important companies are Apple, Microsoft, and Google. They are not the same type of company, but they both affect the society somewhat. For example, the Apple logo is one of the most popular logos all over the world. We are going to explain the past, the present, and the future about these three companies.
History. When Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak met in 1971, they were two young men very interested in electronic systems. So they started to produce personal computers as a little business and for winning prizes. Later, many people asked them for these personal computers. So they started to make money fast. Apple was formed in 1976 when Mike Markkula invested in the company. In 1994, Apple started to sell the Macintosh. The present. Today's Jobs company is one of the most richest of the world and sells not only personal computers, it sells all products as iPod, MP3 player, iPhone, a mobile, and iWork, some software similar to Microsoft Office. Apple is going to update iPhone with the 4th generation edition, which will have a multitask operative system and a lot of applications more than the 3rd generation.
The company was founded in 1975 by Bill Gates and Carl Allen in Albuquerque, New Mexico. On 18th of November in 1885, he released the first Windows, called Windows 1.0. Was a simple program launcher. Later came the Office package, which included Word and Excel. In November the same year, in 1992, came the first version of Access Database. On August of 1995, released the Windows 95, and we sold over a million in 4 days. In June of 1998 came the Windows 88, which included Internet Explorer. Next month, Bill Gates chose Stephen Ballmer with the president of Microsoft. In 1999, had legal problems with AT&T Corporation to use Windows CA in mobile phones and was sentenced to pay 5,000 euros. On October in 2001 came the XP, acronym Experience. Also in the same year entered the market with Xbox consoles. In the present is the Microsoft Multinational Computer Technology Corporation, was ranked as the 6th largest company in the world. It's also one of the largest technology corporations over the world. The most famous application of Microsoft was Windows 7 in this year, and the last year Windows Vista. And in 2008, released the Microsoft Office Word 2010. We replaced the Microsoft Office 2003. The future is complicated to will be happening, but the innovation was a touch screen, people locators, and electronic newspaper.
Well, Google is a new technologies company which was founded in 1998 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Its most famous business is the Google search engine. Larry Page and Sergey Brin were classmates at the university, and one day Larry saw why wasn't in the internet a site where you could go to other pages using the links. He started the project and soon Sergey joined. They put the name Google because of the word Google, which means a number one followed by 100 of zeros. Soon Andy Weisskopf wanted to invest in the project and joined the company. Google started to receive publicity requests and gained more and more money. They could buy companies like YouTube and start projects like Google Docs or Republic. Google is a really young company. It has only 12 years, but it has evolved a lot. The most interesting services that Google offers at the moment are Google Docs, an online document editor, Google Chrome, an internet navigator, Google Maps of the whole world, and YouTube, which you all know what is. It also has an image editor. This is the Chrome operating system. Google is working in two important projects for the future. The first is the Chrome operating system. An operating system is a software that controls a computer like Windows Vista or Ubuntu. The second one was started 5 years ago and hasn't finished yet. The Google objective is to create the definitive mobile phone operating system, and that's because it has got the Android incorporation. That's all.
Okay, thank you.